see the President of the Republic of Uganda, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, is here with us.
Ikiro cy'Eminyeeto munsi yona kijaguzwe 2012 by'ukwezi kwa munana buri mwaka n'ekitendera cyo kutaha ameza ibitekateko by'Eminyeeto uteriho n'ibindi bintu biri kutaganisa Eminyeeto umagara ga butusha. Muri ngondwo gumwe mwembezi w'ihanga Ahigire Eminyeeto kiri mu mashomero kurebe kangu bagumana bakwatanisa n'abazere babo kukira minonga bari mu cyumuro ucwereho ukongera hantasya umaka.
Now you have now grown, you are now left to university, you have done the points I have said. You now need to start a livelihood.
Ati nuko kubahiga ukukora ebisasaizi kurebe kangwa amagara gabo gaguma gari marungi.
As for the program of free education in the government schools.
Nara inen ngesigara tioni asomana no asomana mame tacho ikapun osomera lo apugana.
The youth and all the other activists should insist on free education in government schools.
Iyo bikiri aho President Museveni yahanangiriza Eminyeeto yo no mu ihanga ukutaho umutima kurebe kangu yayetegereze ngenderwaho ezekibine kiri mu bwembezi bw'ihango bwa hati. It's a national resistance movement.
If you are going to be useful young people, you must understand wealth creation and what you need to support wealth creation, which includes love Uganda, love Africa. Why? Because you need it for the market.
Begambo bye uri minister w'ekikura cy'abantu mu ihanga Honorable Minister Betty Among ashoborera umuyembezo w'ihanga ekizenderwa hamwe n'enzenderwaho iyo kujaguza iyo mwakogu ari kugira ngo Eminyeeto eshobere kongera amani utereho no kutaho umutima kutunga okugubo mu mutwe kwereho mukongera emirimo mu ihanga.
Your Excellency, the 2021 Uganda National Labor Force Survey showed that employers across formal and informal sectors in Uganda identifies lack of practical digital entrepreneurship skills as well as lack of soft skills such as managerial skills, communication, social emotional, as limiting most youth entering the job market.
Muri ngondwo gume Minister w'ihanga abwenshonga z'abana hamwe n'Eminyeeto Honorable Minister Barambargahara ahamize Eminyeeto ku government yene ekora ubuceka ihembe kurebe kangu ekizubu kibura ry'emirimo cyarwanisibwa umwihanga.
Excellency, I want to thank you for the skilling centers that you have set up across all the 18 sub-regions under the Presidential Skilling Initiative. However, just like mentioned by the youth MP, the youth are trained, but we have not equipped them. It is important we get equipment and we equip them. I believe if we equip our young people, they will create more employment and they will be able to work.
Muri ngondwo gume ry'umujekirwa w'ihanga rya Denmark mu ihanga ashoborera Eminyeeto gwekiro cyabo n'ikiro kikuru munonga abo kugira ngo nikiyambaho kujaguze birungi Eminyeeto rukora umunsi yona ahantunguka yensi.
Skills development, the theme, is a crucial factor in economic empowerment. When young people acquire relevant skills, they are better positioned to secure gainful employment or to create their own entrepreneurial ventures.
Bibikiri aho umukuru w'akatsiko k'Eminyeeto aka National Youth Council Jacob Eyero asimira umuyembezo w'ihanga abibirungi ibyakozere abo Eminyeeto mu ihangeri.
Your Excellency, you have guided this country and you have guided the young people to understand that their biggest issue is one, education, and number two, job creation.
Ayonjeri asimo umuyembezo w'ihanga abo kutaho amatendekero g'ibimikono gashoborera ngahwerera minonga Eminyeeto okutunga cyo kwekora umwihangeri.